Welcome back to the FERNWEH Quilt Along. Today begins week 4. So if this is the first time you're hearing about this quilt along, this is the quilt we're making and this is the pattern you will need to make it. In the first week, we cut fabrics and organized. In the second week, we have a demo for how to make the block. Week 3, we talked about efficiency. And if you've missed those, you can go back and watch them. This is going to be a really short video today because there is no more demos to show you. You have to make another set of blocks. So this is our final set of blocks. We're almost there. If you are working on the 72 by 72 size quilt, you're making another 3 blocks. If you are working on the 72 by 96, you're making 4 blocks. And if you're working on the 96 by 96 big quilts, you're making 6 blocks this time. So it's 1 more for you than last time. It's our last set of blocks. You know how to make them. You know how to be quick about it if you want to. All the demos have been shown to you. And now we're just trying to wrap this up. So after this week, we'll have one final post where we're putting our blocks together, and there'll be a demo for that. But let's go ahead and talk about prizes. So at the end of this week 4 period, we'll be giving away 2 more long arm services to one lucky winner each. The first one is coming from J Coterie Design, and they are giving away long arm services up to $200. And then the final prize is coming from Ladybug Threads. They are giving away long arm service, any edge to edge design. So I've put all this info in your email if you want to see it spelled out right in front of you. So to be eligible for those prizes, don't forget to post your progress on FERNWEH Quilt using the hashtag FERNWEHQAL, and make sure that you're following all of our sponsors. That will make you eligible for those prizes. So have fun on your last week of block making, and then we'll be ready to make this. We'll be able to get a finished quilt top next time. I will see you then.